So, what do you think? Pretty close? I hope so. Now that we know more or less where we want to puncture our leaf, I will make sure to obtain our sample holder. This is our previous sample. And now we're going to use our new sample. And what I want to try to accomplish here is to locate the place where I've done my mark as close as possible to the center, avoiding the center of the leaf, and only focusing on the center of the donut. More or less so. Now I will set up my sample in place. My probe is going to puncture exactly at the center of the donut that I have placed in the sample holder. To do that, I find a little piece of paper which is close enough to be set below the probe such that I can more or less, by eye percent, the most accurate way, make sure that the probe is going where it should. So it basically is. What I've done while you were not watching, I was bringing down the probe as close as possible to the donut, and also I had to adjust my kill switch. Every time before you start an experiment, it is good practice to check your equipment and check your setup to one more time, ensure that your probe is going to go through the place where you need it, and also that your kill switch is not going to stop your experiment ahead of time or too late after your probe has been damaged. So now that we're ready, our computer program is set up. We use the TAXT spinach already set up macro, and our TAXT Plus is set up in place to puncture our base leaf. I will proceed to click on start. And we will wait together. Texture is starting, it is moving. Here, how our sample finished. Move the probe away. We release the clasps from the sample holder. We get our donut. And as you can see, the leaf has been perforated on the right hand side about 1 millimeter from the bottom. And as you can see from the graph, our force of penetration seems to be anywhere between 1.1 newtons to 0.9 newtons. We will use this data for further analysis.